Hi, Zoey. Mr. Kaufman again. And this will probably be the last recording I'm going to do for a few days here. Hopefully, you're still doing well and your family's doing well. So, this one we're going to read. I'm going to try to go a little slower because I want to let you try to read along with me here. This one is called Simon Loves the Rain. Simon Loves the Rain, written by Anne Harth. Simon loves the rain. He wears his red boots and a yellow hat. He pulls on his green coat. Take your umbrella, Simon, Mom says. Okay, says Simon as he grabs his purple umbrella. The rain comes down, pitter, pitter, pitter. Simon jumps in puddles. Splish, splish, splish. The rain comes down harder. Patter, patter, patter. Simon jumps in deeper puddles. Splash, splash, splash. The rain is heavy. Plunk, plunk, plunk. Simon jumps in puddles. Water fills his boots. Slosh, slosh, slosh. Simon runs inside. Mom looks at Simon. His hat drips. His coat drips. His boots are full of water. Simon holds up his umbrella. Look, Mom, I took my umbrella. So here are some questions, Zoey. What color is Simon's umbrella? What type of day is it outside in the story? What does Mom give Simon? What color is Simon's hat? Oh boy, I don't know if I remember. Oh, I see it now. I don't remember if we read about that, but I could see the pictures. Yeah, I don't think they ever said anything about the colors. I think you had to look at the pictures. Oh, no, I'm wrong. There it is right there. Purple umbrella. Mommy gave him the umbrella. So I hope you remember that because I didn't remember it. Okay, that's it. Hope you have a good day, Zoey. Talk to you later.